Alright, if you've ever dreamed of writing a Christian novel or even a whole Christian fiction series for adults but felt overwhelmed by the process, today's video is going to change everything for you. Because I'm going to show you how you can write clean, faith-centered, binge-worthy Christian stories using a breakthrough tool called HolyInk AI. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone who struggled to finish a manuscript, this is the shortcut you've been waiting for. Here's the truth. Christian fiction is one of the fastest-growing genres in publishing. Readers are hungry for wholesome, faith-driven stories. They finish one book at midnight and want the next one before breakfast. But writing for this audience is tough. You need accurate history, clean romance, deep spiritual lessons, and consistency across multiple books. Most AI tools fail here. They slip in bad language, modern ideas, or inappropriate romance that ruins the story. And fixing those mistakes takes forever. That's why HolyInk AI exists. It's the only authoring software built specifically for Christian fiction. So how does it work? HolyInk AI takes your ideas or even generates them for you and turns them into polished, publish-ready novels or entire series. You start with the guided wizard, which walks you through subgenre, faith depth, denomination, romance level, and story structure. Then, the muse acts like your creative partner, remembering your characters, plot decisions, and spiritual themes. The writing room drafts chapters in a consistent voice, while the craft scanner checks continuity, pacing, and scripture accuracy. And here's the best part. You stay in control. You decide how far romance goes, how much faith content appears, and whether violence stays off the page. HolyInk AI follows your boundaries in every chapter. Now, let's talk specifically about writing a Christian fiction series for adults. This is where HolyInk AI shines. With the series map, your characters grow naturally across multiple books. Relationships evolve, faith journeys deepen, and unresolved plot threads stay consistent. By the time you're writing book 3, the system still remembers what happened in book 1. Imagine creating a suspenseful Christian thriller where an FBI agent wrestles with faith across 6 novels. Or a small-town romance series where every book introduces new characters while weaving in familiar faces. HolyInk AI makes this possible without drowning you in spreadsheets or sticky notes. But it's not just about series. HolyInk AI helps you write standalone Christian stories too. Want to write a biblical-era saga? The Period Kit ensures historical accuracy by flagging modern items and adding authentic sensory details. Want to write a faith-forward romance? The Faith State Ladder tracks each character's spiritual growth step by step, so their journey feels real and believable. Want to keep things subtle? The Faith Depth Dial lets you choose how much spiritual content appears, from gentle values to openly faith-centered storytelling. This means you can write stories that fit exactly the audience you want to serve. And when the writing is done, HolyInk AI doesn't leave you stranded. The publishing bay packages everything for Amazon KDP, EPUB files, print-ready versions, covers, blurbs, keywords, even category guidance. You don't just get a manuscript. You get a complete publishing package. That's how you go from idea to income without months of frustration. Think about it. Christian publishing is already a $14.8 billion industry, and it's growing fast. Weekly Bible reading is up. Millennials and General Z are leading the rebound, and readers are desperate for more clean, faith-centered stories. The demand is massive. The problem is supply. There simply aren't enough authors writing fast enough to feed this audience. That's where you come in. HolyInk AI lets you step into this gap and publish books that matter. Books that inspire, uplift, and entertain. So if you've ever wanted to write Christian fiction or Christian stories but didn't know where to start, HolyInk AI is your answer. It takes away the stress of planning, drafting, and formatting while keeping your stories clean, accurate, and faith-focused. You don't need years of writing experience. You don't need to wrestle with generic AI tools. You just need your ideas. And HolyInk AI will help you turn them into novels readers love. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips on AI publishing and Christian fiction, and drop a comment below telling me what kind of story you'd love to create. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.